Hey Ramiro, Jesse with Revved Up SEO here. I hope your day is going good. Sorry it's taken a while to get this video out to you, but I think I got everything squared away, and as promised, here it is. So, without further ado, let's dig into it. So as you can see here, we got your website pulled up, and as you know, it's a Google website. You already told me that. And although these do have some good power that come behind it because they are a Google website, they're not exactly optimized. And with this video, we'll go into detail on what Google looks for when it tries to rank a website and help it get, and in turn help you get it optimized for that. So Google, whenever they go to rank a website, they look at three different things. It's going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So we'll start with content. Content is anything that you can read or highlight on your web page. So it can be anything from like the name up here to how you save this picture, things like that. Um, Google really likes to have a 1500 word um, count to really have a solid foundation. So what I did is I just did a quick Google search for HVAC Las Cruces, New Mexico, and I went and looked up the top three. So we have Metalcraft Company, Aircon Heating and Cooling, and Sun City Plumbing and Heating. So Metalcraft Company, they have 590 words. Aircon Heating and Cooling, they have 734. And then Sun City, they have 996. So really sticking to that 1500 word count will help put you ahead of these guys. But you really want to have some authoritative content. And what I mean by that is this is a tool that I have right here. It's called Ahrefs. And this just gives me some details on how your website is doing on the back end. So organic keywords is what you guys are being found for on your webpage. So really all you guys are being found for is your branding, which is good. But if we come over here and we take a look at Metalcraft Company, they're being found for 208 words. And you can see here HVAC Las Cruces. What we want to pay attention to right here is the volume. They're being just this keyword alone is being searched for 80 times a month, and they're sitting in the number 4 position. This is why they're so high up on this Google search. So taking a look at these words and trying to implement it into your content is going to be very key in how your website gets found. So the other thing we want to take a look at is your backlinks. So backlinks is essentially your website's power and how it becomes authoritative. A backlink is just a link on another website pointing back to your website. So they're not all created equal. There's some good, some bad, and some just plain spammy that really hurt you. So as you can see with your website right here, you don't have any websites pointing back to yours at all. If we take a look at Metalcraft Company, they have 181. We got Aircon Heating right here. They have 685. And then we'll take a look at Sun City. They have 604. And this is a big reason why they're being ranked so high on the search engines right now. Um, so the way we approach this is we call it the copycat method. We go in, we see where their links are, pick the best links and go and put yours there too. From there, we essentially one up them and we keep adding more to stay ahead of them. That's what you would want to do with your website. And then lastly, we have citations. Oh, and then real quick, if you're not Google guaranteed, I would definitely recommend that because that helps your credibility. But all a citation is anytime your business is listed with its address and phone number, it counts as one citation. So obviously, the more citations you have, the better. There's another tool that I use but we won't go into the detail with that one. But it tells me where all your competition is, and we just go in there and essentially one up them, like the copycat method as well. But having all those citations really helps your map pack appearance. And if you have a Google website, I'm sure you have one of these too, but if you don't, I definitely recommend getting one of these built. And in turn, that's going to help you also. But with that, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you found it informative. And if you have any questions, feel free to get back to me. If you need some help with this, definitely get back to me, and then I'll do my best to help you out, man. Appreciate it. Thank you.